Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing a little bit of information about NIO, ticker symbol NIO. This has been one of the hottest topics on YouTube the past couple of weeks. It's had a very good run from once it crossed over this trade line here at about $43 to its new 52-week high of $66.99. Just a heads up, when a stock does hit a new 52-week high, typically it's at overvalued status, which you can see it is here, and it starts to lose some momentum because people start taking profits, stop losses start going off. So you can probably expect some sort of pullback coming soon. And also, as of this morning, TD Ameritrade released this article. Citigroup analyst Jeff Chung downgrades NIO from buy to neutral and announces a $68.30 price target, which, as you can see, is it's right up there. It's almost there now. So I'm not sure how people are going to react to that. Maybe they might spook them a little bit and they start taking profits just to kind of protect themselves. But I just wanted to show you where key level of support and resistance are, just in case you are looking to get into the stock. So obviously the resistance is $66.99. That was our high. Our support level is going to be $51.88. So anywhere in this range here. It doesn't really have any history of significant pullbacks. As you can see, it had a pullback here, but it always bounces off, it seems, of that SMA line, and so it holds support pretty well. So I'm looking to possibly get an entry around the $50 level, and if you're trying to get in, then also that might be a good entry point for you as well if you're looking to either add more or start your position. So I personally think it's going to go higher than 68.30, but I'm going to watch and see how it plays out prior to just getting in, because again, it is at all-time highs for the stock. It is overvalued, so we don't ever want to buy a stock that's overvalued. We want to wait until it gets to a good deal or a fair deal before making that purchase. So this isn't financial advice, not telling you to buy it. This is just my opinion. So I just wanted to give you some information on this particular stock. So other than that, we'll see you in the next video.